Hi there, welcome to my channel. It's me, Kara. We'll be red in the cap. We will be doing the Foxy eye or Y2K look. You know that model-esque look you've been seeing all over TikTok and the likes of Belle Hadid and Kendall Jenner? Yep, that's the one. Mentally preparing for this challenge with coffee. How's quarantine for you? Well, we start off with the eyebrows. You want an elongated tip that goes up instead of down. To do this, get a pencil or a spoolie and angle it from your nose to where your eye ends. This will serve as your guide. You want your eyebrows, eyes, and your cheekbones to go all the way up. 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 Clean them bushy brows with a spoolie and brush them towards the sky. Get a pencil. I'm using the Style My Eyebrow by Face Shop here. Now remember, you want the thin brows that all of Y2K It girls were sporting. Next, conceal all those stray hairs with a trusted concealer. I'm using the Knots Centella cover in Tea Tree here, so I'm just testing it right now. Let's see how it works. Now where was I? Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm going to be using a concealer brush just to clean the edges of my brows. Make sure that they're all clean. What a wonderful world. Now do you see the difference? You want them thin brows. Finally, after 10 years, I'm done. I really take an awful long time with my eyebrows. Well, as you can see, I still have to get those stray hairs out. So what I'm going to be using now is the Benefit eyebrow pencil. I'll be linking it down below. Almost happy, but not quite. Just really tracing it out there and making sure that I get those perfectly clean and angled brows. Mixing the Knots concealer with my primer now and just priming my lids. Next, we are going to use my all-time favorite palette from Tarte Cosmetics, Tartelette. As you can see, I use this a lot. Using Jet Setter, I'm going to look at my eyes again and remember that we want it to go all the way up. Now you want to flick that pigment from the corner of your eye going up. Try not to go back and forth because we want that swept effect. You want to put some on the 1/3 of the eye and connect it to that wing. Think of it as a triangle. Next, I'm going with the Jet Setter and just really going for the 1/3 of the crease there. With a clean blending brush, I'm going to diffuse all those eyeshadows because we don't want anything too harsh. You can also do that if that's what you want, but I prefer a more neutral and lighter shade. Going in with the darker shade in leader, I'm just going to pack some of that on our crease just to give it a little dimension. Going in on that lower corner and just tracing it out. Shelby, what are you doing there? Hey, stop it. Again with that blending brush, picking out all those harsh lines. Cleaning it up with Smarty Pants, again just to blend everything out. You just want a little bit of shadow on the eye and not anything too dramatic. This is the technique. Hold your brush upside down and pat the color on your upper lash line. The reason we do this is because we don't want anything too defined. With an angled brush, we're going to line our lids with the Inga Brown Eyeliner 24-Hour Tattoo. Doing that because I just want the liner to be almost invisible, so I'm not using anything in black. Mixing Flower Child and Smarty Pants just to add a little more color on my lids. Now doing this swipe up, I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm sure that it helps. You can actually do your eyeshadow with tape on beforehand, but I prefer to do this because it gives a more dispersed look. Using Benefit's Roller Lash, I'm going for my upper lashes, especially concentrating on the ends. You want your eyes to really pop at the outer corners. Now using these eyelashes by Christina in number 20 and cutting them out because we want the outer corners of the eyes to, again, as I said, pop. I bought this in the States, but I don't know if we have it here in Manila. Loving it? Yep. I'm using Kinpin, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, because my duo just ran out.
The river, I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Once you're done, just wait it out.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
Today I'll be using the Knots Powdery Cover Cushion in C23. I am in love with the Korean cushion trend, and this is so good. I love how it's illuminating and full coverage. I just tried it out on my hand earlier and saw a big difference. At first I thought packaging is so cute. Look at it. It comes with a sponge, and I'm going to see how that works out with my face. So we want to clean out all the edges, making sure that the angle that we placed earlier is still present. Going back with the Knots Centella Concealer, you're going to highlight the middle of the face to give that our main focus. I really love this concealer because it really hides the veins under my eyes and those dark shadows that we don't like. I also love how this has a brightening effect, as you can see how it's making my face look so dewy. My mom used to always make me do this goldfish look whenever she would place blush on me during my ballet recitals. Today we use that. Using a good bronzer, we are going to carve those cheekbones out. Now using the In Your Face Cosmetics Slap Stains and Emotional Breakdown, we are just going to add a little flush on my cheeks. Don't overdo it. Can you see it all come together now? Using Skin Foundy's highlighter and auroral dust on my nose now, and Cupid's bow. Boy, that was a tongue twister. Just going through my lower lash line now with the roller lash, just a tinge to make my eyes look more alive. Now I believe this is a challenging part. You guessed it, it's the liner, so let me just compose myself for this. Looking at your inner corners, see the shape of your eye. So mine points downwards, and we are just going to trace that until I get a good line. It's kind of tricky, so my tip is don't add too much than you think you should. Just add little and it goes a long way. Using that Inga eyeliner earlier, we are going to mimic my eye shape. Okay. I'm just going to use an angled brush and see how this works, and some brown eyeshadow. Just careful not to make anything too harsh. As you can see, it's a struggle, ladies. It's like learning how to place eyeliner on yourself in 7th grade. Once again. There you go. I think I want it to be more feline-like, but you see the difference. I'm going to go at it and try to make it as feline as possible. Let me try with a black liner how this works. Just tracing that little teeny bit of eyeshadow. Tracing it along. Meow. Yep. Coming to life, ladies. Yay! I did it! It's not as tight as I initially intended it to be, but you see the angles there? Yes, that would work. The reason behind it is because my eyeliners were so dull and I didn't have a sharpener on hand. But with a little squint of the eye, there you go. And with the So Natural All Day Tight Makeup Setting Spray, my all-time fave, we are going to set everything up. At this point, I also placed the MAC Lip Tint in Dough and the Too Faced Lip Injection Gloss on top. Forgot to film that part, but now you know. And this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you do subscribe and check out more videos. Till next time, bye!